Welcome back. Today we are again outside because the topic today is something that we cherish and also is going on outside.
Yes. We would love to spend more nights outside in nature. It's something that we have done a few times, and actually we went for a whole trip once in Norway, spending every night outside. But besides that, it's something we want to do a whole lot more. Because as you said, it's something that we really treasure, to go to bed in a tent, in warm sleeping bags, and then just waking up, zipping up the tent and just looking out to the fresh morning sun, the birds singing, and just the most beautiful sunrises. And you're already there. It's not getting out of bed and going outside and tracking down the sunrise. You're already there. It's so amazing and beautiful.
Taking a morning bath in the lake.
So we have done this in the summertime. And something that I am curious about is if we could do it in winter.
And like building an igloo.
Oh, yeah. I know many people do it, so why not?
Yeah.
We just need warm enough sleeping bags and clothes and the right equipment.
Then we're set.
Yeah.
Godmorgen, skat.
When everything's said and done, I leave you with love. When everything's going wrong, choose love.
Thank you for watching, and see you again tomorrow.
Yeah, have a wonderful winter wonderland day.
Evening.
Bye. Evening.
Bye.